Hey guys, Harrison here from Tool Talk, and today on Tool Talk TV, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Ledlenser H5R WORK headlamp. Let's get into it. So before we open this up, let's take a quick look around the box. First thing I'm seeing, 7-year warranty. Remember, always register for your warranty. Then as we go around the side, we've got German engineering and design, so you know there's premium quality inside this box and the box itself. Then we've got cool features like adjustable lamps and stuff like that, which we'll see in just a second. Another thing I'm noticing, rechargeable. Great idea to have a rechargeable battery in any electronics nowadays because who wants to be changing batteries all the time? Then the other thing as well is this is IP67 certified, so that means it's water resistant and dust resistant. Perfect for any dirty, dusty, damp kind of jobs you might find yourselves in needing a headlamp such as this one. Now let's get into this. Remember, don't skip thumb day. It came open pretty easily that time. I did loosen it up before I hit record. Nice little presentation inside the box. Seeing it peep out. Love a peeper. What we got here, 7-year warranty. Don't forget to register your warranty. There's a QR code on the back, so I imagine you just scan that QR code and away you go. So remember, always register for your warranty. Then the box, or the headlamp should I say. Loving how this is neatly packaged in one. Love it. I don't know why I like that so much. But I like it. Let's dive in. Okay, what have we got here? Head strap. Headlamp. We'll get to that in a second. Charge cable with a magnetic end. Some clips. Don't eat that. And then some instructions, some manuals like the Facebook page. What else have we got? Product disposal for the battery, safety instructions and warnings. And then we've got the instructions. Very important that you read instructions, guys. But we've got backup mode, further information on the QR code, advanced focus system, protective covers, recycling, everything that you might want, battery indicator, how to use it. That's what that is. See, this is what happens when you read instructions. It tells you what's in the box, guys. Always read the instructions. I always do. This is a silicone head strap for if you're wearing a hard hat or helmet. It says it right there. And then it tells me how to operate the thing. So I will leave that to one side just in case. So does this have any battery? It does. It does indeed. See that light? And it's actually fully charged, so you can see that on here. It shows it's fully charged, 4 little lights, and that will go down as the battery gets consumed. And then on the top, let me turn that off a sec. On the top, you'll see here, so we've got a USB charge cable, magnet on the top, and away you go, that'll just charge. You can charge that in the van, on the go if you've got a power brick or anything like that. Or you can charge it at home in one of the 1,000 USB sockets that you've got, whether it's a phone charger or in the socket itself. So nice and easy to keep this bad boy juiced up. So we'll just quickly go through the accessories again, and then I'll move them out of the way. We've got the silicone head strap for helmets and bump caps and everything like that to hold it on. Clips will go on the silicone and on to the headband itself to keep it attached. And then charge cable, obviously. Gonna pop those back in the box. Let's give this a spin. How do I look? Unfortunately, it's pretty bright in here because I've got 2 big lights on me, so I can't really see. Oh wow, but a little twist of the dial and it goes from, you guys can't see this. So if you can see on my shirt, we go from big wide open beam to laser focus. Not quite laser, but highly focused. Pretty good, that is. So we can twist this to focus, tighten and widen the beam. The power button, this twists as well. And again, I don't know if the camera is going to show up or if I'm going to blind myself while I do this. But it will increase and decrease the brightness or intensity of the bulb, which is pretty bright if you ask me. You can see that shining on me. And now it's actually really bright in the studio, but you can see just how much it shines on me, casts a shadow. If we put that out wide, whoa. Hello. So this thing can go from 15 lumens all the way up to about 500 lumens, which is pretty bright. And according to the instruction manual, this thing can go up to about 200 meters. Again, all these facts are in the instruction manual, guys. Who would have thought? And then just a quick look around the sides. You've got this nice elasticated headband, adjustable angle on the actual headlamp itself. So when it's flat against your head, you can point it down, point it straight out, or if for some reason you want to, point it straight up. But this thing will go all the way. So it's got about 160 degree angle of adjustment there, which is pretty good. And then, of course, adjustable straps. So if you've got a big noggin like me, I mean, the elasticated stuff will help. Put it on. Fits nice and snug, battery at the back, dead easy to turn off and on, and then you are good to go. So that is the Ledlenser H5R WORK headlamp. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more unboxings, product reviews from our Testers Club, product demos with brands, and much more. If you're not already part of Tool Talk where you can save money on the tools you love, click the link in the description, download the app, and join Tool Talk for free today.